Welcome, dear students. Your lesson for today is Our Country. And in this video, we will discuss about the major problems in Pakistan. Our major problems are illiteracy, unemployment, poverty, overpopulation, diseases, corruption, energy crisis, terrorism, and law and order. So all of these problems are interlinked with each other, which means that one problem may cause the other problem. And one by one, we are going to discuss each of these. Illiteracy. Many people in Pakistan cannot read or write, and they cannot educate their children as they are very poor. Instead of going to school, the children help their parents to earn a living. And as you can see on the screen, 24 million children in Pakistan are still out of school. Unemployment is another major problem in Pakistan. It means that many people have no jobs to earn money as they are not educated or trained. A lot of people having no regular jobs work as domestic servants or laborers or part-time workers, and this adds to the poverty in the country. Poverty. Many people are very poor. They do not have proper jobs, homes, or any other facilities of life. And this leads to other social problems like begging, stealing, etc. A rapid rise in the population, which means that the number of people in Pakistan is increasing quickly, while the resources available here, for example, food crops, water, oil, gas, electricity, etc., are less. Diseases. So as we learnt that many people are uneducated, they do not follow the basic rules to keep healthy and fall ill. And then due to poverty, many people cannot afford to go to hospitals to get medical help. Then comes corruption, which is another major problem here. Corruption means wrong use of power and money. For example, the people holding public offices do not use the money from the taxes for the benefit of the common people, but for making themselves richer. Paying or taking bribes is a form of corruption. For example, some public office holders take money from rich and powerful people to give them the benefits, for example, jobs, facilities, etc., which they do not deserve. Energy crisis. As Pakistan is overpopulated, the government finds it difficult to produce enough energy or electricity to supply it to all the people. This lack of energy causes load shedding, which affects our daily lives. And it also affects production of goods in the factories and business activities. Most of the electricity in Pakistan is produced by thermal power plants by burning fuels like oil, gas, and coal, which have to be imported. Imported means it has to be bought from other countries every year, and electricity is becoming more and more expensive. Terrorism. Terrorism means to cause fear or terror in someone, and terrorists threaten to harm or actually harm specific groups of people or the government of a country if their demands for money, weapons, etc. are not fulfilled. And Pakistan is deeply involved in fighting terrorism. It has made progress in controlling terrorism and making the country a much safer place. Law and order. Some people ignore rules and laws for their personal benefits. These actions cause harm to the progress and development of the country. For example, by not paying taxes, some people make it really difficult for the government to fund important projects like building roads, schools, hospitals, and industries. When some people steal or waste electricity, water, gas, and telephone resources, the government faces problems in providing these resources to factories, schools, hospitals, and homes. And so the country suffers a lot. Thank you. I hope you get the best out of it.